Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Resourceful Living Homestead. I just want to give a little update on Grow What You Eat 26 collaboration with Jan with Simply Jan Homestead, Susan, Butler Family Farm, and myself, Kathy, Resourceful Living Homestead. I've been growing in my hydroponic system things that we eat and then up-potting them. And then once they're up-potted, they will remain up-potted until time to move out to the big garden. So what we have right now that has been up-potted is my golden acre cabbage is doing fantastic, especially since I've lost all the cabbage that I had grown prior to this in the greenhouse. I've got Ruby Queen beets that have already been up-potted. I've got artichokes that I'm going to be up-potting those tomorrow. I've got cilantro growing in micro seeds. I've got some micro-dwarf tomatoes down there as well. Those are from another collaboration. Those have been going for about 3 months now. Let's see what we have out here. Once I up-potted everything that had grown of size, I started some new stuff in the hydroponic last night. I've got bull's blood beets. And I've got this one Ruby Queen beet that was kind of small, so I'm letting that get a little bigger before I up-pot that. I started some bird's eye chili pepper, some chili de arbon hot pepper, thick cayenne hot pepper, purple cayenne hot pepper, and serrano pepper. So I just did one of each of those to get started. I did some Utah celery. Yeah, I did 3 Utah celery. And then this cabbage wasn't quite the size that I wanted for up-potting yet. So I got that going in here again. And I got one more artichoke because I've got 3 grow bags in the garden set aside for Maverick. And we're going to do 2 artichokes per grow bag. And then I've got some other, these were test seeds for the survival. Excuse me, guys. Test seeds for the survival seeds collaboration. Beefsteak tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, bell peppers, and hot peppers. And those, and celery. But celery's not doing anything yet, but these others are coming up. And everything so far is doing really good. Starting things in the hydroponic. And then up-potting into soil in this grow tent. I am working on another hydroponic system that's much larger. I'm waiting on a shelving unit to come so I can finish that. But anyway, that's going to update. Just a little update on the Grow What You Eat collaboration with Jan at Simply Jan Homestead, Susan with Butler Family Farm, and myself, Kathy, Resourceful Living Homestead. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next update.